Welcome to the eP2P Applications User Tutorial Guide. In this tutorial, user will be guided on how to view personal information via eData. To go to the eP2P application eData, user needs to click on the HR self-service, then click on the eData. User can update personal information at My Personal Information as displayed. Then, click Next to view the update information. Once done, check the updated information and click Next. The following screen will appear and click Finish to submit. My bank and statutory information is for user to view bank information. My spouse information is for the user to view spouse information. Click Add tab to add new spouse information, and following are spouse information that needed to be filled. To update existing spouse information, click Update tab and select spouse name and click Next. The following form showing spouse information that can be updated. Click My Children information and click Add to add children information. Then, click Update to update children information. Click Document tab to view attachment. Select children name and click Next. Screen will display detail information, and to delete, tick checkbox and click Next. Confirm document to be deleted and click Next. Then click Finish to submit. To view parent information, user need to click My Parent information. Then, click Add to add new parent information. Click Update to update parents' information. Click My Next of Kin information to view kin's information. Click Add to add kin's information. Click Update to update KN's information. My Contact information can update user contact information as displayed on the screen. Click My Tertiary and Professional qualification. Then click Add to add new qualification. Click Update to update qualification. Click My Professional membership and click Add to add new membership. Click Update to update membership information. To change current password, click Change My Password. To update profile photo, click Update My Photo. Click on the icon and select Photo to be uploaded. Click My Free Fields to update more information. Click Document to view information for free field.